So in the overview report, we have the following metrics across the board for all of your content on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. It just so happens that Saputo itself did not run X content in 2023, 2024, which is why it's reporting 0 over here. But everybody else who has X content will see metrics here. We've got some insights to help you figure out what should come next for your social strategy. So this is the overview report. We'll go into media types now. In Saputo's case, you can tell that they are doing mostly video posts with a lot of carousels. But if you look at the average engagement per post, the video content on Instagram is doing particularly well, whereas the carousel content is actually not performing so great. Average engagements per post and average engagement rates will be somewhat comparable, whereas total posts and total engagements are usually comparable because the more you post, the higher your total engagements you typically will be. You can break this down even further by clicking through the categories themselves. So you can sort on single photos, for example, and engagement rate. So it looks like of all your single photo posts, this one here got the best engagement rate. So we've got different categories of content here, all the way down to video, which is the best performing content type. And you can click through to that content. Back to the reports now. So we're going to go down to the third report, which is the first themed report, posts related to employee recognition and culture. All of these themes are really dependent on the type of content that you and your organization run. They'll be different for every organization, so whatever it is, it's really up to you. These ones here were suggested by running, the hundreds, in some cases, thousands of posts through AI and having AI determine what kind of themes are present and how to categorize content so you can see what's working best. So in this theme of employee recognition and culture, although Saputo is posting mostly about company culture and values, people are actually engaging with the most is employee recognition and awards. So if you come down here, this is what company culture and values posts look like. A lot of them are promotional, they're shouting out what they believe in, that kind of thing. Whereas if you come down here in employee recognition and awards, it's mostly the accomplishments of individual employees or groups of employees. So that's what this report is really great for. So the last report to show you guys is the industry comparison report. And for this sector, we only really came up with 3 other brands that were Canadian dairy brands that managed active social media channels. We've got Gailey, Nordica, and Organic Meadow. Saputo is the biggest of those, has the most number of followers, does the most content, but is not necessarily the most engaging. Nordica has the highest engagement rate of all the brands. So what does that mean? We would have to go look at Nordica's content and learn from it. How are they getting such great engagement rates compared to Saputo?